Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today we're going to be learning to draw Gidget from The Secret Life of Pets. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is Gidget's body and head, and it's actually the shape of a sideways heart, but the top just has a little bit more of an oval, and the bottom is a lot more short and stout. So you can even turn your paper sideways and make this shape. Now once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a triangle at the very top, one on each side, and then a little triangle on the inside for the inside of the ear. Now we're going to go into the bow on the top of her head, so a little rectangle, and then we're going to come up and down, and make her a cute little bow. Now for her tail, we're going to curve out. We're going to bring it in a little bit, curve back out, bring it back in, curve back out, and then connect it to the body, just to give her a little bit of a fluffy tail. Now if you want to add more fuzzies or fluffs into your Gidget, feel free, but all around I made her smooth and just let the tail have the really nice fuzzy detail. So now we're going to go into Gidget's face. And for her nose, it's just a nice little oval shape here. And now we're going to go into the bridge of her nose, just bring it up, and then we're just going to go around and over just to make that eye. Now for her other eye, we're just going to bring it up and around in a half circle, and then a straighter line for the bottom of her eye there. Now we're going to go into her mouth, so we're going to come down in a nice scoop smile, and then we're going to bring it down just a little bit, and then you're going to bump up, go down, around, and up, and then a line in the center for her tongue, and then another line to finish off the other side of that smile. I'm just going to add 3 little eyelashes to each of her eyes. She's a very pretty, dainty puppy. And now we're going to go down into her legs. Now we're going to show 4 legs. We're going to do 2 lines, and then a half circle. And then for that back leg, we're just going to barely show that paw. Then we're going to do 2 lines, half circle, straight, 2 lines, half circle, straight. And that is how you do her 4 legs. Now we're going to go up to her eyes, and we're just going to make a nice circle in each of her eyes, and then a tiny little circle for a highlight. Now the highlight in the right eye is going to be a little bit more to the right, and the highlight in the left eye is going to be more centered. And I know it looks kind of funny right now, but once you fill it in with black, it'll look a lot better. And we're just going to go ahead and fill in that black eye. And once you have this all filled in with black, we're just going to go into coloring the rest of the little things on Gidget. And the nice thing is that she's mainly white, so there's not too much for us to actually color. So we're going to do the inside of her ears, a nice light pink. We're going to do her bow in a little bit of a darker pink. Her tongue is also going to be a light pink, and then a deeper red for the inside of her mouth, and then a nice almost navy blue color for her nose. So if you guys like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos just like this one, then hit that subscribe button. And if you want to show off any of your own artistic creations, head on over to any of our social media platforms. We'll leave the link in the description below, and you can show off your great creations. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.